hate him.
Ouch!
Alright, now for some video games. On my Xbox One. Let's see, Titanfall. That's a good game. What the hell's wrong with you? Get away from me!
Anyway, let's do this!
I know what to do. This is my Wii U, Smash Brothers 4, helmet on, into the game! Wee!
Cool!
I'm in Smash Brothers!
We're in Smash Brothers!
You followed me! Oh, what the fuck? What the heck is wrong with you?
Good things are great with me. Everyone's best guy. He's the most smartest. I am very, very smart. Ask me a question.
What's 3 plus 3?
This one is hard. 3,333.
No. 0 plus 0.
Oh, this is even trickier. A decimal and 3 A's. See, I am really smart.
Hey, Sonic, what's up?
Hey, it's me, Zeg.
Ignore him. Anyways, he follows me here. Ah! So yeah, Sonic, what do you want to do now? Let's fight people! Yeah!
Hey, let's go fight people.
They abandoned you.
Huh?
They abandoned you. No one likes you. Alright, first up.